and this trigger would be when the new file is created in OneDrive for Business. Then we will use AL Builder to analyze this message, the file for a specific sentiment, and then we post a message in a team. Just a very simple thing. The main goal for this is just for you to get a feel of what AL Builder is and how to start using it. So let's have a look. If I navigate to my Power Automate center, from here I can create a new flow. It will be in automated cloud flow, and for the trigger I'm going to let's see, to use this one when a file is created. So it means when the file is created in a root folder, because I do not have any other folders in my OneDrive for Business, then we do the next step, and let's have a look at the AL Builder. So for the actions we have here, you see something like analyze positive or negative sentiment in a text, classify text, detect the count of objects and images. So this is kind of a smart actions, right, that we can use with this AL Builder option. And let's have a look. If I'm going to use the first one here, just analyze positive or negative sentiment in a text. So it means that when the analysis is done, we will see if it has something like, a negative implication or a positive. For example, if you write something like a great job, it should give a positive thing. And if you write something like, you will be dismissed if you do not stop breaking the company rules, then it would be negative. So of course we'll focus on the positive. So I'll use this one for now. And then I can select the language because it has to be specified. And then for the text, I'm going to analyze, let's see what we can see. File name, maybe file content. Let's do the file name for now. It's simpler because file content, we might have some limitations there with the length. So we'll focus on the file name. And then the next step would be, next step is to post the message, right? Post message in Teams. Something like create Teams, post a message. We put a team ID here. For now, I just put it in all staff team. And then for the channel, I have a special channel created, which is called sentiment analysis. And for the body, I just take the dynamic content from this AL service for overall text sentiment. Just something very simple like that. So let's have a look how it works, right? Technically, when I should create a new file in, let's see here, I create a Word document. Let's say I create a Word document. And I give it a name. The name would be good job. Then I put some content as an example, right? I save it. So I close it basically and it saves. You see here I have this good job docx file. So let's have a look. If I go to my flow, you see it shows the flow is ready. We recommend testing it. Let's see if it ran or not. So for now I do not see all runs. Oh, here is the first run. It shows it's running 30 milliseconds. So it's doing something. It shows the flow ran successfully. Let's have a quick look here. So you see when I look at the outputs, it shows the probability that the overall text is negative is 0, and probability that the overall text is neutral is 0. Probability that overall text is positive is 1. So the analysis is correct. Overall text sentiment is positive. And then I post a message in Teams in the channel, which is called sentiment analysis, and the message is just positive. So if I look at my Teams now, right, you see here in this channel for sentiment analysis, I have it posted as positive. So this is, let's recap briefly on this. In order to use this service, AL Builder service, you have to get a license. It's a premium license to do that. So it has to, you have to acquire additional license, but it makes your flows run a bit smarter, right? If you have to do some analysis like this or something similar, it will definitely help and work for you. This is not hard. You see, it's quite simple to set up. Of course, it depends on your logic, but you get an idea, right? So this is a very brief introduction to AL Builder, and I'll cover more in the next videos. So I hope you enjoyed it. Have a wonderful day and stay healthy. Bye-bye.